Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Learned counsel appearing for the de facto complainant referring to the provision of section 301 of CRPC made a forceful argument in support of the contention that subsection 2 of section 301 authorizes the court to give permission as regards filing of written argument. Stop. It is also clarified that the term any court in which that case is under enquiry, trial or appeal appearing in subsection 1 and the words if any such case any private person instructs pleader to prosecute any person in any court appearing in subsection 2 are sufficient to indicate that such written argument can be filed even at the appellant stage with the permission of the court. Stop. In subsection 2 of section 301, any private person has the authority to instruct a pleader to prosecute any person in any court in respect of any such case, but the pleader so instructed is authorized to act therein under the direction of the public prosecutor or the assistant public prosecutor in charge of the case. Stop. So, in respect of a case pending before the court of sessions or before the court of magistrate, any pleader instructed by any private persons has the authority to act under the direction of the public prosecutor or the assistant public prosecutor. Stop. However, section 302 of the code authorizes a private person to conduct a prosecution personally by a pleader if such a case is pending before any magistrate. Stop. Thus, in respect of a sessions cases, a definite distinction has been made as regards the part to be played by a private person. Stop. Of course, such a private person in sessions trial can submit a written argument with the permission of the court after the evidence is closed, which is in tune with the procedure for submission of argument under section 314 of the code. Stop. Such a written argument can only be filed after the evidence is closed in the case. Stop. So, it is sufficiently clear that with the permission of the court, a written argument can be submitted by a private person either in sessions court or in the court of any magistrate after close of the evidence and not otherwise. Stop. It is tried to be argued that an appeal is the continuation of the trial and accordingly there cannot be any bar in submitting written argument at the appellate stage. Stop. The decision relied upon by sufficiently clarifies that such written argument can only be filed after the close of the evidence at the trial stage if the words stop.